Are you ready to kickstart your German learning journey this year? Are you feeling overwhelmed by the amount of language apps that are out there? If the answer is yes, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be revealing my favorite German learning apps, providing insights both from a teacher's and a language learner's standpoint. It's important to note that the opinions expressed in this content are entirely my own and do not represent any sponsoring views. I've tested these apps in order to help you with diversifying your German learning experience and allowing you to determine which app aligns best with your learning style. So, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a toolbox of German language learning apps, each tailored to specific aspects of the German language. If you're new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen. I'm Salome, a polyglot and certified native German teacher from Frankfurt. I specialize in helping expats and professionals who want to move to the German-speaking countries with becoming confident in their conversational skills so that they can navigate daily life in their new home with ease and confidence. So if this sounds like something you need, then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Now, before we dive into today's jams, a quick nod to the classics. In my previous video, I spoke about apps like Memrise, my personal favorite for vocabulary learning, Quizlet, a go-to for digital flashcards, and Riedel, a fun way to boost your reading comprehension. If you want a full breakdown of these apps, you can check out this video next. These are still great choices for your German language learning journey, and today we'll add some new stars to our rosters. Bist du bereit? Los geht's! Alright, let's start our dive into Lingu Deer, your practical guide in the language learning world. Lingu Deer focuses on hands-on learning with interactive exercises covering grammar, vocabulary, and a stress on cultural insights. Its interface is user-friendly, offering a variety of exercises like filling in the blanks, matching games, and listening exercises to cater to different learning styles. Now, the app's strength lies in its structured, almost minimal curriculum so that it's not overwhelming. Each lesson builds on the previous one. Lingu Deer adopts a gamified approach, rewarding progress and keeping you motivated. It's not just about rote memorization, it actively engages you in conversations and contextual learning. The cons, however, are that some might find the exercise somewhat repetitive, and while it covers a lot, it doesn't delve too deep into advanced topics. So if you're looking to get an intermediate level, you will definitely need supplementary resources. In a nutshell, Lingu Deer offers a structured, step-by-step learning journey with a variety of interactive exercises. So if you're looking for a comprehensive app covering grammar, vocabulary, and cultural insights, Lingu Deer is your go-to. Just keep in mind that it's more tailored for those who are just starting their German language learning journey. Next up is the app Monley. I personally use this for learning Thai as a supplementary resource and to switch things up. Monley offers a blend of lessons, games, and daily challenges focusing on practical language use. With features like role-playing, speech recognition, and vocabulary-building games, Monley ensures an engaging learning experience. The pros are very clearly on the emphasis of practical conversations, interactive exercises like role-playing, and daily life challenges for real-life scenarios. However, it's less comprehensive for an in-depth grammar study, and while it's great for daily practice, some might find it more focused on entertainment than an in-depth language understanding. So Monley is a great place to start if you don't have a conversational language partner, and it's ideal for those who prefer learning by doing and focusing on daily interactions. Before we dive into the next language learning app, just a quick reminder that apps in general always provide you with only a fraction of what you actually need to learn, and they are great to supplement your learning but shouldn't be the only resource you're using. As mentioned earlier, I'm currently learning Thai, and the way I structure my learning to get the best results and most fun out of the process is by learning from a self-paced online course. I also supplement that with learning apps, and I meet once a week with a language partner to practice conversation. This has personally worked the best for me and my learning style and has gotten me the best results in a very efficient way. So if you're interested in doing the same for German, I highly recommend checking out my free lesson for beginners to get a taste of my signature program program, the German Fluency Academy. The link to register is in the description box below. Alright, let's dive into Pimsler. Pimsler specializes in honing listening and speaking skills through immersive audio lessons. The app is ideal for auditory learners and those focusing on speaking skills. There is emphasis on practical conversations, and its approach includes a spaced repetition system for effective retention. On the downside, it may feel one-dimensional for those who prefer visuals, grammar explanations, or interactive exercises, and there is limited engagement with reading and writing. However, overall, Pimsler stands out as an audio-focused resource, perfect for enhancing listening and speaking skills. So if you thrive in an auditory experience, Pimsler is your go-to. Keep in mind that there is less emphasis on grammar, reading, and writing. Next up is an app called Busuu. It fosters collaborative learning by connecting users with native speakers and fellow learners in a social network-like interface. The app offers a range of exercises, quizzes, and challenges for comprehensive language practice. One of the pros is definitely the collaborative learning and social interactions and the opportunities for language exchange with native speakers. However, it does lack a structured approach for grammar, and the quality of feedback may vary as it relies on other learners. But if you thrive on interaction, real conversations, and collaborative learning, Busuu is your go-to platform. Another great app is SeedLang. It offers comprehensive exercises that cover vocabulary, grammar, and reading comprehension, providing a structured and monitored learning experience. With a unique progress tracking feature, SeedLang celebrates milestones, making it suitable for those seeking gradual growth in language proficiency. The upside of the app is definitely the systematic approach for overall language growth and comprehensive exercises covering vocabulary, grammar, and reading comprehension. Also, the progress tracking feature for motivating milestones is definitely a plus. On the downside, it might feel too rigid for those preferring a more exploratory style. As mentioned before, no app is a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about blending these experiences, creating your personalized language journey. So, which app sparked your interest? Share your experience in the comments below. I'm curious to know. If you have found this video helpful and you have more clarity now on how to approach your German language learning journey, then please make sure to like this video and don't forget to register for my free training for beginners if you want to kickstart your German learning successfully. I would love to see you in class. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!